So we finally replaced our water cooler this week with this Avalon A3 bottom load self-cleaning water cooler. And I, like you, read all the reviews and did all the research before we ordered because our old one, which was one of the top water cooler brands, stopped working months after we had it. In fact, many of them have this problem. And the reason why they stop working is because we let them sit empty before changing out the jug. If you want a lasting water cooler, you simply can't let it sit empty, nor should you use it while unplugged. Once your little red light comes on, you need to change your water jug immediately or you're going to kill the refrigeration component. All the complaints I've read on water coolers are the same across all the brands. But most of them are because of user error, so do be careful. The last thing I'll say on this is we went with a self-cleaning machine because after watching many reports on TV about bacteria growing in some of the hoses, it was important to me to get a machine that could clean itself. I also love that it's bottom loading and that I don't have to look at an ugly water jug, but rather I can put a plant on top of our water cooler. Overall, this machine's been fantastic thus far for us. It's great to have cold water again, and I love its blue night light. For all of its features, I think it has a great price point and I highly recommend it.